Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify tone in UX writing with Hemingway App. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Hemingway App website or launch the desktop version. Begin by copying the text you want to verify for tone in UX writing. Paste the text into the Hemingway App editor. Observe the color-coded highlights in your text. Focus on the yellow sentences, which indicate complex phrasing. Simplify these sentences to enhance clarity. Next, notice the red sentences, which are hard to read. Break these longer sentences into shorter, more digestible parts. Pay attention to adverbs highlighted in blue. Consider removing or replacing these adverbs with stronger verbs. Look at the passive voice sections marked in green. Where possible, convert passive constructions into active voice. Review the readability score displayed in the right sidebar. Aim for a score that reflects your target audience's comprehension level. Check for any phrases highlighted in purple. These highlight phrases that might be better expressed differently. Make revisions based on the suggestions provided in the app. After editing, reread your text for tone and flow. Ensure the tone aligns with your brand voice and audience expectations. Finalize the changes and save or export your text as needed. Return to the Hemingway app whenever you need to polish your writing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.